Hello traders, welcome back to Peeps Traders YouTube channel. Today we are going to do technical analysis for US dollar JPY and set the targets for today. So I am on monthly time frame in US dollar JPY. I plan to do analysis for US dollar JPY because I saw a trend reversal today. So I thought maybe I'll come up with the videos. So I'm on monthly time frame now. You can see that the overall trend reversal happened here. When we see the overall trend, it has come up to here 76 and trend reversal has happened. Then it has retested 100. Then it has formed a very nice triangle pattern. Then triangle got broken and uptrend has started. So when you see overall, the trend is on the upside. Trend is on the upside, but during the uptrend also it has done tested several levels. What is going to be the next step? How far, whether it's going to turn back or whether it's going to continue its uptrend, what is the status? So let us go for the, I'm on daily time frame now. In daily time frame also, you can see that it has given an uptrend, and here also you can notice that the uptrend is still there, and it is on in a channel pattern. When you see it fully overall, and I'm on daily time frame, when you see it, it is on a channel pattern in a lower time frame, but overall trend is on the upside. So let me go to the 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, when you see it, like I had mentioned earlier, it gave a very nice breakup and uptrend started. Then during the uptrend also, let me go to the hourly time frame. During the uptrend also, you could have noticed that it formed a very nice double top. Then it started falling down. So presently it is at, when you see it now, it has retested back to where the uptrend started, and it has formed a very nice double top pattern, and it is again back to the point where the uptrend started, retracement started. It is at 111.300. So what will be the next step? Whether it will be tracing down or whether the uptrend will continue, let us analyze it. So I'm on a 4 hours time frame now. You can see that here at this point the downtrend stopped and started retracing. Again at this point the uptrend again started. Up to here it started retracing, and then the uptrend started. So we'll take this as the point, and when we take this as a point, here we have a strong support here, and presently it is at this support point. It has gone up, then retest up to here. So if this support doesn't hold, we can see it tracing down to this support, and then next support is going to be at this point. You can see in several points this has acted as a strong support or resistance. You can see at this line it has acted as a very strong resistance and support. So it is retracing back, but the uptrend is still holding. Retracing is happening, but uptrend is still holding. So if it breaks this point, and then next is going to be 0.786 Fibonacci's range. If it breaks this 0.786 range, then next it will be testing 0.618. If it breaks this range also, this is going to be the next support. The range is going to be very far, but it will be testing here. If the retracement doesn't happen from this point, we can say that trend reversal is happening, and we can see a downtrend to continue. But this point has acted as a very strong support so far. So I'm expecting maximum it can test up to, come down up to 109, then retrace. So that is what my assumption is. But temporarily it is on a retracement process. But usually, as everybody knows, retracement is very important. So what will be the ranges? We know that this has acted as a strong resistance, and presently it is testing this 111.277. Strong resistance at 111.97. It is on the support level 111.254. If it breaks the support level, next it is going to be testing 110.81, and if it breaks this level, we can see it testing 110.45. We have a strong support at this point, 109.287. So if it breaches this support, we can see the trend reversal happening. But as far as now, I'm thinking it is only doing a retracement, just testing the lower levels to show that it is a very healthy market. So if you're still holding a position, wait for this level to break. If it is not breaking, we can see a rebound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends.